If you're wondering how to identify duplicate content issues automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to quickly and easily spot duplicate content on your website using the best tools available. No manual effort required. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a special free trial link exclusive to viewers of this channel so you can follow along and get started with the tool I recommend. First off, duplicate content can harm your SEO rankings, confuse search engines, and even frustrate your visitors. But identifying it manually is tedious. That's where automatic tools come in. They use algorithms to scan your website and highlight duplicate content issues with precision. So how do you make the process easier? Let's dive into the tools. After testing out several popular ones, I found a standout for automatically identifying duplicate content. Tool name. It's quick, user-friendly, and comprehensive. You can run a full audit of your site, and the tool will flag pages with duplicate text, meta descriptions, titles, and even content across multiple pages. All you need to do is input your site URL and let the tool do its thing. Within minutes, you'll get a detailed report showing where duplicates are located. Most tools will also show you which pages have the highest overlap, helping you quickly focus your efforts on fixing the worst offenders. Another great feature is how they highlight both internal and external duplicate content. This is crucial because duplicate content isn't just limited to pages on your own site. It can also include other sites that have copied your content, potentially harming your SEO. A big tip here, pay close attention to meta descriptions and titles, as search engines consider these as important ranking factors. If you have the same meta description on multiple pages, Google might not know which page to prioritize, which can hurt your rankings. Now, once you've identified the duplicates, it's time to fix them. Most tools like Tool Name, BOGO, suggest ways to resolve the issues, such as canonical tags or rewriting certain sections. If you're unsure what actions to take, don't worry. The tool typically provides clear recommendations. And here's the best part. If you want to try out Tool Name for yourself, I've arranged an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel. You can follow along, use the same tool I've tested, and start identifying duplicate content issues on your site right away. You'll find the link for this free trial in the description below. Key takeaway: duplicate content can harm your site's SEO, but identifying it doesn't have to be a hassle. Use automated tools like Tool Name tool to run audits on your site quickly. With just a few clicks, you'll know exactly where the duplicate issues are, and you'll have actionable steps to fix them. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description to get started. To quickly recap, make sure to use an automated tool like Tool Name to scan your site, find duplicate content, and get the recommendations you need to fix it. It's a simple process, and with the free trial, it's easier than ever to follow along. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial in the description.